Hi, I'm going to show you how to clean your cat's ears today. This is Ricky and he's going to hopefully be a good volunteer and show you how to clean ears. So there's different reasons why you need to clean your pet's ears. It may be just that your pet has a lot of wax and dirt in their ears. It may be that your dog or cat has an ear infection and we prescribe you cleaner along with medicated ear drops. Most importantly is you want your dog and cat nice and comfortable and supported and relaxed. So with Ricky, I'm going to keep him in close to my body. I'm going to use my left hand to give a little bit of support to his head. So what we do firstly is we have a little look on the outside of the ear. We just pull the pinner back a little bit and we look to see if there's much discharge, if there's wax, is there any smells that are there. What's important to know is that we're only going to clean away at this top surface. We're not going to stick anything down into the ears because we don't want to do any damage. So a cat and a dog's ears is L-shaped, so it goes down and then turns in towards the head. So what we do is we use an ear cleaner which goes in and it softens the wax, so when the pet shakes their head, it brings the wax up to the top so we can wipe it away, and that way we don't need to put anything into damage. So we'll put a little bit of support. We're going to flip back the ear pinner and we're going to have a look, see is there any scratch marks, is there any smells, is there any wax. And then we're going to get our ear cleaner. And it's really important, especially when you're cleaning cats' ears, that you make sure you've got an ear cleaner that's designed either for cats or for both use in dogs and cats, because there's some cleaners that we don't use in cats' ears. So we're just going to move Ricky forward a little bit. And what we're going to do is just going to lift up the head again. We're going to bring the ear pinner back. And then this is our bottle of ear cleaner. And they come in a nice soft nozzle, so they're not going to do any damage. And essentially you just want to put the nozzle in just so you can't see the tip of it and give a good squeeze of the bottle. Don't worry about how many drops, because if you can see the drops, it's not in the right place. So we're just going to lift up Ricky's head. We're going to get hold of our bottle and we're just going to pop it into the opening. We're going to give a little squeeze. Most animals, when you put a liquid into their ears, will shake their head a little bit because they don't like something cold coming into the ears. And then what we want to do then, we want to get the ear drops in the ear cleaner down into the ear, and so that it's doing its job. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of pressure on the outside and we're going to massage. And that, hopefully most animals tend to enjoy that because it's soothing, but it gets the ear drops down and dispersed right throughout the ear and in amongst the wax. So hopefully going to soften the wax so that you can wipe it away. So we're going to give it a good rub, and then most dogs or most cats will lean into you. It'll be a little bit squelchy, which means that you're softening the wax and there's plenty of cleaner in there. And then once you've done that, most pets will shake, so watch out, it might come up into your face, just stand back a little bit. Then you get your cotton wool. We don't use cotton buds because we don't want to stick them down the ear. We get our cotton wool and then we pull back the pinner, and what we can see here with Ricky's ear is that we've got quite a bit of black wax that's come up. So we just get our cotton wool and we can just clean everywhere that we can see. So our aim is to wipe away the excess of the cleaner and also the wax that's come up. So you just put a little bit of pressure in. You can see we've brought quite a bit up, and then we have a little look and see does it still look clean or do we need to go again. So a little bit of pressure with your cotton wool, wrap it around your finger, and then you just give a little bit of wipe, and you repeat the process until it's clean, until you're not getting lots of wax and dirt coming up through the ears. With some animals you might need to do that over a bit of time. If there's quite a lot of wax, they're going to need to shake their head to bring that wax up. And then that's once one ear is done, you move on to the other ear, and when you're done, give your pet a little cuddle or a treat so they know it wasn't too scary an experience and that they've been good and well behaved.